In the last few questions we had a fraction, 3/4. The top part of the fraction is called a numerator. The bottom part of a fraction is called the denominator. And if the numerator is smaller than the denominator, so if the top number is smaller than the bottom number, it's called a proper fraction. Here we have a mixed number where you have the whole part and the fraction part. And here we have an improper fraction where the top part is bigger than the bottom part. So the numerator is bigger than the denominator. And how do we get from there to there? What you do, you take the big number, multiply it by the bottom number, add the top number. So you do 1 times 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 goes at the top, and this 4 stays at the bottom. Now to work out 10% of a number, you simply divide the number by 10. If you want to work out 5%, divide the number by 10, then divide it by 2. Now if you have a decimal and you multiply it by a whole number, one way of doing it is to move the decimal one place to the right, so it becomes a whole number. So 0.5 becomes 5. So now we have 5 times 28, which is 140. And remember, the decimal point is just to the right of the ones column. And we have to bring this back to do the opposite of that. And the answer will be 14.0, which is the same as 14. And finally, we have a decimal number, which is 5.738. We don't say 5.738. There's your decimal point. The first number to the left is the ones or the units column. The first number to the right is the tenths column, which can be written as 1 over 10. The second column is the hundredths column, which can be written as 1 over 100. And the third column is the thousandths column, which can be written as 1 over 1000.